Hey, it's Mrs. McKay. Here's today's Tuesdays, that is, math homework, graphing lines. If you aren't able to print off the homework and you really don't want to do it on the paper, on a piece of paper, go ahead and on the top of your page, just say open with. If you click annotate with Cami, it'll open the worksheet up in Cami. Of course, mine's going to take forever. And just like those of you who have Mr. Mitica, you can then um, write on the assignment instead of having to write it on a piece of paper. And then it saves it in its own file on your Google Drive, and it's a file that will be called Cami. So you can access it that way. Okay. And you'll see that along the left hand side, there's all your tools for writing on it. So let me show you how to do, I'm going to work with you guys and show you how to do questions 1 through 6. I was just looking to see if any of the ones on the next page are more difficult, but no, it doesn't look like it. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna work on questions 1 through 6 with you, and then you'll have questions 7 through 12 to do independently. Again, if you have any questions, go ahead and message me, send me an email. Okay, so let's get started with the first one. It says sketch the graph of each line, y equals 7 over 2x minus 2. So we're going to start at -2 because that's our y-intercept. So on our y-axis, we're going to go down to -2, and we'll put a dot there, okay? And then we're going to go from there. We're going to go, oh, now it wants me to make a copy. Sorry. Okay, and you might encounter that too as you get ready to try to do it. It'll tell you need to make a copy. It's okay. Sorry about that. Okay, so let's try that again. Okay, so for number 1, again, we're going to start at -2 and go ahead and put a dot there. Okay, and then you're going to go up 7 and over 2. Remember, this is the negative side and this is the positive side. So we're going to go up 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then over 2. 1, 2. And in this case, we can only put, oh, sorry about that. We can only put one additional point. Okay. And then go ahead and connect your dots. And I would strongly suggest using a straight edge. Okay, let's look at the next one. We're going to start at 3 on the y-axis. So 1, 2, 3, put a dot there. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go down 6 or up 6 over 1. Remember, whenever it's not already as a fraction, there's a 1 underneath. Well, we can't go up 6, there's not enough space. So we're going to go down 6 and over 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then over 1. Okay, and this is a -6, so remember our line will have to point towards the negative. Okay, connect your dots. Okay, let's look at question number 3. It says y equals -5, so we're going to find -5 on the y-axis, which is right here. Okay, and because it's a y equals, it's going to be a horizontal line right across -5. Whew, not even close to being straight. Sorry about that. Okay, number 4, 6/5 x plus 1. So we're going to start off at 1 on the y-axis. Put a dot there. We're going to need to go down 6 and over 5. And this is a positive slope, so our line needs to point over here to the positive. So let's go down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, put our dot, and then connect our dots. That one was a little bit better. Okay. Let's look at question number 5. 1/4 x plus 2. And this is a positive slope, so our line will need to point to the positive. We're going to start off at 2 on the y-axis because that's our y-intercept. We're going to go up 1 and over 4. So up 1 over 4. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and connect our dots. Okay. And the last one, x equals 5. We're going to find 5 on the x-axis. And we'll go ahead and draw a vertical line. And that's all there is to today's work. This is a review of graphing lines that you've done before. Again, if you have any questions, go ahead and send me a message. I have office hours every day from 1 to 3. Okay. I will talk to you later. Of course, you can always send me a message other times. So I hope you're having a good day, and I will see you soon. Bye.